everyone, welcome to my nookery, and surprise surprise, I have a small giveaway for my sock lovers out there. I'm trying to get people to knit or crochet socks, and I've been doing the Sock It To Me challenge all this year with Kim, and I'm going to be continuing it on next year. And you could say I'm just a little bit addicted, guys, a little bit addicted to sock knitting at the moment. Yes, I love them. So what have I got for you today? Well, I have got 2 skeins of 50 grams, 166 yards, 152 meters, and this is wool and nylon, and it's Peyton's Croy socks, and there isn't a colour. It's oh yes, there is magic stripes. So you've got 2 of those, and you'll get a pair of socks out of them. 1 sock, 2 socks, plus you're going to get 10 little stitch markers. You're going to get 2.5 9-inch circular needles, and you're going to get some cable needles. So what I need for you to do is read the instructions below, all the rules and regulations. This is bought and paid for by me. YouTube has no affiliation to this giveaway. You must be 18 years and over. You must be subscribed to my channel. There is a link in the description box below, which is a new link, guys, showing you how to make your subscriptions public, so I can see that you are subscribed to me. It's worldwide, as all my giveaways are, guys. I don't even think I need to mention that. All my giveaways are always worldwide. So this goes live on the 11th. It's only going to run for a week, and it'll close on the 19th. So it goes live today on the 11th. It closes on the... hold on. Yeah, it'll close on the 19th. No, it won't. It'll close on the 18th. So you've got 1 week, guys. So it goes live on the 11th, finishes on the 18th, and I will post the winner on the 20th, which is a Thursday. The winner then has 1 week to contact me to claim their prize. So the word I want from you is sock. So this is for all my knitting buddies and crochet buddies as well, because I would like lots and lots of people. My aim next year is to get a lot of people making socks, whether you crochet them, whether you knit them, whether you use your knitting machine, your Addi or your Centro, whatever. I want you to make socks and share with me, and I will share at the end of every month. So okay, guys, so keep a lookout. So just to refresh your memory, you're going to get 2 50-gram skeins of yarn, and it's Peyton's Croy socks, and it's magic stripes. You're going to get 10 stitch markers. You're going to get a 2.5 9-inch circular needle from Knit Pro, and you're going to get a couple of cable needles as well. So good luck, everybody. Don't forget, 1 week. It closes on the 18th, and the winner will be announced on the 20th. Check the description box below for all the rules and regulations, and good luck. And that's all from me for today. Take care, stay safe, but as I always say, guys, be kind to you, and until next time, bye.